If you have been on a financial journey for any amount of time, then the thought of making money while you sleep has definitely crossed your mind. A couple of years ago, this would seem unattainable or cliche to me, but now that I have embraced the online space, my eyes have been opened to how possible it is to actually make money online. And once you start making money online, it really opens up the possibilities. You can save more, pay down debt faster, use the income to replace your full-time job, or use the side hustle income to add on to a job that you love. And this is exactly what I did 3 years ago. I started out the organized money as a side hustle, just something that I was doing that was adding on to my full-time income until it got to a place to where it could replace my full-time income. And really now I can't see myself doing anything else. So today I wanted to talk about how you can create 3 passive income streams that will help you make money while you sleep. Let's start with passive income stream number 1, creating an online course with Teachable. Teachable is the sponsor of today's video, and they are about to start their Launch Accelerator challenge that will help you create and start selling your online course in 30 days. I have wanted to create a course for over a year, but I thought that the process was going to be too complicated. I didn't understand most of the platforms or even know exactly what to call my course. When Teachable reached out to me, I was blown away by how easy it actually was to navigate their site. They helped me decide on my course topic, they helped me set up my sales page, outline my course, gave me guidance on pricing, and even helped me set up my first lesson. They will even give you tips on how to pre-sell your course before it's finished so that you can begin making money while you finish building out your content. Now, you do have to sign up to become a Teachable Basic or Pro member by June 1st in order to get in on this challenge. The challenge will begin on June 2nd. So make sure that you check out the description box and head over to my website with them, teachable.com/organized, so that you can get in on this challenge. This one has been on my to-do list for quite some time. That's why I was so excited about this challenge. I can't wait for it to start. You can check out the description box to find out more information, but having an online course is a great way to make extra money with low maintenance. And I definitely recommend that you think about something that you already know that you could teach in your sleep. This will make the process much easier. So check out my description box and make sure that you join in on this challenge. My second way to make additional money while you sleep is to create an ebook. Another route that you can take with information that you already know is to create some type of book or ebook that you could push on your Facebook, your Instagram, your YouTube channel, or any of your other social media pages. Your goal should be around 60 to 80 pages for this book. And if you want to know how to get started, I would start with an outline. Think about the content you want to share and think about the main points or the main subjects that you want to talk about. After you create those particular subjects, then you want to pull out a strategy of maybe writing 3 pages every single day until you get to 80 pages. Since you're talking about something that you already know and love, this process will come pretty simple to you. And if you keep up with this exact strategy, then you'll be done within 2 months. Now, I recommend selling it on your own site, like your blog, your website, or your Etsy shop. But you could also go the route of selling it on Amazon Kindle, and have them pay you monthly. Either way, we're talking about 2 months of work that could pay off for years. And the third way to make money while you sleep, from what you already know, is to start a YouTube channel. Now, this one helps you in so many ways because you can make money on the platform by creating videos and getting paid from the ads on those videos. But you could also make money by promoting your course or your ebook or whatever else you already have in your videos. I started my channel 3 years ago, and yes, it did take me a while, about 8 months, before I was monetized and started getting paid on the platform. But like I said, in the meantime, I was making money by promoting my ebook, and my Etsy products on the platform before I actually started receiving money from YouTube. Currently, I can make around an average of $1,200 to $1,400 each month on YouTube, and this is from just sharing what I already know in my videos and helping people in the process. Now, this one takes time, so you definitely have to love it, but I find true joy in creating and sharing my videos on this channel. I've gained friends, been featured in the media, and gotten so much exposure from sharing on here. And once again, if you don't love it after a couple of years, you can stop and you can continue to make money on the platform even after you stop making videos. So guys, those are my 3 favorite ways to make money while you sleep. If you have any additional favorite ways, make sure that you leave them in the comments below. I will see you in the next one, and until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.